here's how you can master the Apple Find My app, which is a whole lot more than just find your lost items. Before I get into it, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. The Find My app is a stock app on your iPhone where you can track people, items, and devices. Almost all Apple devices have Find My built in, but you can also add it to items by using AirTags. Apple also allows third parties to integrate Find My directly into their devices too. I recently did a whole video rounding up the best gadgets to add Find My. If you want to see some of them like water bottles or luggage tags, check out the video that I've linked here. Let's jump into the app and see how many of these features you knew. The Find My app is broken into 4 tabs: people, devices, items, and me. The first is obviously for tracking people, like your friends and family, not people without their permission. Devices will include your Apple gear, like your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and even your MagSafe wallet. Items is comprised of your AirTags and third-party Find My devices, like the ones that we've talked about. The last tab is your settings. We'll get back to that later. In people, these are all those that have willingly shared their location with you. It could be temporary or ongoing, whether they shared it with you while you're hanging out at Disney for the day, or it's your literal child. Here I can see my aunt is just arrived at the airport. I can reach out to her or get directions to her current location. Pro tip, notifications. These are super useful. You can enable notifications to yourself whenever the other person arrives, leaves, or is not at a certain location. You can choose their current location, your location, or add a specific address in. The not at is kind of interesting. You can choose the days of the week and the time, and if that person isn't there, you get an alert. Like if your child is supposed to be at soccer practice after school, you can get alerted if they're not there. There are just tons of possibilities here with these alerts. Get an alert when your child arrives home, when your friend picking you up departs their current location, or when your partner leaves the office. Also worth noting, when you set up a notification on another person, they will be alerted of that. This is not to stalk or track people who do not want it. This works in reverse too, sending another person a notification when you arrive or leave somewhere. In devices, you can see the last known location of any of your gear, make them play a sound if applicable, and find them nearby. AirTags, which count as an item, will be the most precise to find as they support what's known as precision finding using Apple's own ultra-wideband chip. Apple doesn't allow third parties to add this tech, but fortunately, with a loud enough speaker, this doesn't really matter in practice. By the way, Apple is releasing a new version of AirTags soon too. If you want to learn more about that, I did link a video here where you can just find out all of those details, when it'll be launching, and what the new features will be. If you ever lose one of your devices or items, you can mark them as lost. When you mark an item as lost, anytime someone comes near the lost device or item, it will send that location back to you anonymously. For example, you left your AirPods in the booth at a restaurant, and you mark them as lost in the app. When someone else walks by with an iPhone, they will connect to the AirPods, the phone will see that they are lost, and it'll send that location back to you, all without that person ever realizing they helped you out. Furthermore, you can leave a message, so if someone does find them and opens them up near your iPhone, your contact info or a message will appear. Items is very similar to devices. It's worth pointing out, you're limited to only 32 Find My items. I have quite a few in mine already. Let me know down below in the comments how many devices you have added so far to Find My. How many of you have actually gotten to that limit? But items and devices feel very interchangeable. It's odd that like AirTags count as items, but a MagSafe wallet is a device. Anyway, there are 2 big differences when it comes to items. First, you can share AirTags or third-party items with another person. This lets that person or people locate that item too. Like the remote for our treadmill, my wife and I can both find it. Same with our TV remote and the dog collar beeper. This also mutes the pesky tracking notifications that appear when a Find My item is with someone. The second big difference is sharing a location with someone temporarily. This is specifically for lost items, like luggage. You can share the location and get a URL that you can message or email to someone. Imagine you left your plug bug charger at an Airbnb. Instead of asking the host to just look around, you can send them a sharing URL to find it themselves. Make noise, whatever. Apple even partnered with airlines for this feature. With certain airlines, you can share that URL, which will help employees find your bag. Seriously, do not fly without an AirTag or a Find My tracker with your luggage ever again. Otherwise, items are very similar. You can add contact info, get alerts if you leave it behind, and more. Finally, the Me tab. Here, you can turn your location on or off with just a switch. Maybe you're running out to buy some Mother's Day gift for your wife and you don't want her to see that you're at the jeweler. If you have multiple devices, you can also choose which one shares the location. Instead of my iPhone or Apple Watch, I could share my location from my iPad instead. Or if you have multiple iPhones, you can choose between them. On newer iPhones, there's also satellite location here. This is only available when outside and there's no cellular or Wi-Fi available. It's more of an emergency situation thing. And one more quick tip too. You can use Find My app with your voice. Just say to Apple's assistant, "Where is my wife?" Or even "Find my iPhone." When you're a HomePod, it'll make your phone ding. The Find My app is really useful, and it's meant to be a tool, but not a tool to be used maliciously. Apple has partnered with many other companies, including Google, to try to keep their trackers and third-party Find My devices as secure as possible, trying to make sure that people cannot place an AirTag into somebody's bag or car and track them. If a Find My device is moving with you, you'll get an alert that says a tracker is with you. People have even gone as far as trying to remove speakers on the new AirTag or on AirTags, and Apple's making a new version of AirTag that make that even harder to do. Please do not use Find My or AirTags to try to track people or even your pets. These are for items, and there's a lot of good they can do. There's a lot of really great features. So let me know what your favorite use case is for AirTags or other Find My devices down below in the comments. Hopefully there's something in here that was useful to you, and let me know what other deep dives you'd like to see. Subscribe for more Apple news, and I'll see you in the next video.